Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn with Baba. Today we are diving into an essential topic of Python programming, which is control statement. Basically, control statement let us modify the loop behavior, how the loop behaves based on certain conditions, making our code more efficient and versatile. Now the question arises, what are the control statements? So in Python, control statements let us alter the loop's behavior instead of letting it follow its default path. Essentially, they help us to manage how and when our loops run. So basically today in this tutorial, we are going to watch or understand three types of basic control statements, and they are break, continue and pass. So let's watch them practically. First type of control statements that we are going to watch or understand, that is the break statement. Now I'm just going to write a for loop here. In this example, when I reaches 5, the loop breaks and we exit. So only number from 1 to 4 are printed here. Let's watch them by running this. See, so now when the loop or the value of I reaches at 5 and then the loops break, so we are unable to print the value of I here. So only values from 1 to 4 are getting printed. Now next we have the continue statement. So this one is useful when you want to escape the current iteration of a loop based on a condition without ending the loop itself. So I'm just going to comment it out for the better view. Sorry, I need to do a multi-comment here. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to write it for the continue statement. Okay, now I'm just writing a loop snippet here. Now I'm going to write a if condition, that if I equals 5, then what I want that the loop should continue. So here what will happen, that when the value of I will be equals to 5, and it will be continuing the loop without printing it here. I am giving it a command print, like print I. Uh, so as I explained, let me run this code. Now we can clearly see that the value from 1 to 9 are printed here, but it skipped the value 5. Okay, this is how the continue statement works, that we can write a certain logic and we can put up a condition so that logic will not get executed while running the code. Now the last one is the pass statement. So we are going to watch it, the pass statement. So the pass statement is essentially a placeholder, allowing us to write code that does nothing for certain conditions. So pass is handy when we are drafting a code and want to avoid syntax errors by leaving the sections blanks that we want to write later on. So we can leave them blank, and we will not getting the syntax errors since we are using the pass statements there to control our code. So I am again writing a for loop here. again writing a condition that if I is equal to 5, then I just want to pass, and then I want to print I. So here you can clearly see that I am not writing any logic for this if condition. But if I will not use this pass, I will be getting this error. So let me run this. See, okay. In this case, when I is 5, so nothing special happened. The code just continues the next line, and it printed all the iterations of 5. Summary, if we can summarize our tutorial today, that the break statement stops a loop, the continue statement skips an iteration, and the pass statement acts as a placeholder. So these control statements are powerful tools in Python, helping us to manage the flow of our loop and write more flexible codes. Okay, this is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more Python tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.